So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 2, and we're looking at question number 2. Below is a menu from a restaurant. A 3-course dinner is made up of 1 starter, 1 main course and 1 dessert. So we can see the starters here, the main courses and the desserts. Part A says calculate the number of different 3-course dinners that can be ordered from this menu. Well, this is the fundamental principle of counting. So if there's 4 starters and there's 5 main courses and 3 desserts, if we want to find out the number of different 3-course combinations, we multiply those numbers together. So 4 by 5 is 20, times 3 is 60. Part B, in the restaurant there is a circular poster for each course where the options are represented by sectors of equal area. The poster for the starter is shown in the diagram on the right. So here we have the 4 starters. Calculate the angle of each sector in the main course poster and each sector in the dessert poster. Construct these sectors in the diagrams on the next page. So we have to construct the pie chart effectively for the main course and for the dessert. Now if you remember, there was 5 main courses, so if we're splitting up the circle into 5 sectors, that's 360 degrees for the circle, and divide that by 5, so you can do this in your calculator. That'll give you 72 degrees, so each sector will be 72 degrees. And then for the dessert, there was 3 desserts, so that's going to be 360 divided by 3, so that'll give me 120 degrees for each sector of the dessert. So that's what we're going to construct now. Well, the first thing we can do is we can draw a line straight up there, and then we're going to draw a line to 72 degrees. So 72 degrees would be, well, move this to 72 degrees from here, so going up 20, 30, 40, 50, 71, 72, see there? So we can draw a line from there up to 72. And then we can go another 72 would be to 144. So we bring this around to 144, which would be there. So from the center, go out to 144. We only need to go to there. Okay, so now we can just turn it around the other way and do the same coming back, this time on the inside scale. So I'm going to go to 70, 71, 72. So again, from the center here out to the edge of the circle, which is there. And then we want to go down to 144 as well on this side. So 145 is there and 144 would be there. So when we move that away, we have our 5 sectors, and you can see the 5 equal sectors there for the main courses. And then for the dessert, we're going to divide it into 3. So we can start by drawing a line straight up. And then we're going to look at, from here, going 120 degrees, which would be down to there, 120 on the inside scale. Draw our line from there. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. This time it's going to be 120 in the outside scale, which would be there. There. And there we have it. So the main course into 5 equal sectors and the dessert into 3 equal sectors. Part C says, the owner of the restaurant wants to increase the number of different 3-course dinners that can be ordered. She will add either 1 starter or 1 main course or 1 dessert to the menu. Which should she add to make the number of different 3-course dinners that can be ordered as large as possible and justify your answer? Okay, well the original combination was 4, 5, 3. If you remember, 4, 5, 3 for dessert. So that was the original 4 by 5 by 3. So we're going to look at the 3 different scenarios. If we increased the number of starters, it would be 5 by 1. I mean 5 starters, 5 mains and 3 desserts, which gives us 75 combinations. If we increase the number of main courses, there would be 4 starters, 6 mains and 3 desserts, and that gives us 72. And finally then, if we increase the number of desserts, we'll have 4 starters, 5 mains and 4 desserts, and that gives us a total of 80. So if we want the number of different 3-course dinners to be as large as possible, we would increase the number of desserts. So the answer is the dessert is the one to increase, and that's the end of question 2.